Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're counting down the 5 best electric scooters on the market. Whether you're commuting, exploring, or just having fun, we've got the perfect scooter for you. If you want updated pricing information, check the product links down in the description box. Now, let's get started. Number 5. AOVOPRO ES80 Electric Scooter. Tired of the daily commute grind? Meet the AOVOPRO ES80 electric scooter, your new way to zip through the city with ease and style. The ES80 is specially designed for teens and adults. With its compact size and lightweight design, you can easily carry it in your car or office while traveling. This electric scooter offers the perfect blend of power, style, and convenience to keep you moving forward. Safety is a top priority with this scooter. It features bright front and rear LED lights for enhanced visibility, a reliable braking system for quick stops, and sturdy, shock-absorbing tires that provide excellent grip on various surfaces. Now, let's dive into the performance. The ES80 comes equipped with a powerful 350-watt motor, allowing you to reach speeds of up to 31 km per hour. Whether you're zipping through city streets or cruising in the park, this scooter has you covered. The ES80 isn't just about speed, it's designed for comfort and stability, featuring a robust suspension system and a durable build to ensure a smooth ride on any terrain. Brushless motor. The brushless motor increases traction, making it easier to ride, even for beginners. Waterproof design. The scooter is waterproof and suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, ensuring long-lasting performance. Smart features. The AOVOPRO ES80 is equipped with smart sensors and can connect to your mobile phone for added convenience. So, is the ES80 electric scooter right for you? If you're looking for a smooth, fast, and smart way to get around the city, it's definitely worth considering. With its powerful battery, reliable brakes, and smart features, this scooter checks all the boxes for commuters and casual riders alike. Number 4. Electric Kick Scooter M2. The electric kick scooter MH2 boasts a sleek and modern design, crafted with a lightweight frame made from durable materials. Its compact build allows for easy carrying and storage, making it ideal for city commuting. Powerful motor. Equipped with a 350-watt motor, this scooter can reach speeds of up to 19 miles per hour and covers up to 21 miles on a single 3-hour fast charge, thanks to its intelligent battery management system, which enhances battery life and ensures safety. Comfortable 8.5-inch honeycomb tires. With 8.5-inch honeycomb tires that absorb shocks, you can expect a smooth and comfortable ride even on rough surfaces or over speed bumps. The scooter also features rubberized grips, a handbrake, and rear mechanical disc brakes to enhance safety. LED display and connectivity. The LED display allows for easy monitoring of speed and battery life. With Bluetooth capabilities, cruise control, selectable riding modes, and mobile app connectivity, you have more control and convenience. The bright LED headlights increase safety for nighttime rides. The battery case is designed to be IP54 waterproof for added durability. App lock function. The intuitive app lets you control various settings from your smartphone, including speed adjustments and remote locking. Compact and lightweight. Made from aviation-grade aluminum alloy, the scooter weighs only 28.6 lbs and features a one-step folding system, allowing you to fold it in just 3 seconds for easy portability. With a perfect combination of style, performance, and practicality, the MH2 electric kick scooter is an excellent choice for navigating urban environments effortlessly. Number 3. L10 Off-Road Tire Kick Electric Scooter. For those seeking adventure off the beaten path, the L10 is the ultimate companion. Let's dive into what makes this scooter stand out from the rest. Design. The L10 boasts a rugged and durable build, designed to handle rough terrain with ease. It features large off-road tires that provide excellent traction and stability, making it perfect for uneven and challenging surfaces. Key features. Upgraded folding mechanism. The L10 includes an advanced folding design with a car-level safety lock. This secure, stable lock prevents shaking and allows you to fold the pole with just one click, one buckle, and one press, simplifying storage and handling. Enhanced braking system. Equipped with front and rear disc brakes, ABS anti-lock electric brake, and a rear foot brake, The scooter's dual-hand grip braking system shortens braking distance and improves safety by providing efficient, quick-response braking. High-power lithium battery. The high-performance lithium battery offers a powerful, safe, and durable energy supply with long endurance, perfect for extended rides. 30-degree climbing angle. Designed to perform on steep, hilly, and sandy roads, the scooter can handle challenging terrains with ease. Safety indicators. The L10 includes a pedestrian indicator, left and right turning signals, brake light, and rear light, ensuring visibility and safety. Wide foot pedal. The spacious pedal design allows riders to stand comfortably with feet together, enhancing stability and comfort during rides. HD LED dashboard. The large HD screen displays real-time information on speed and remaining battery power, keeping riders informed about the scooter's status at a glance. With its rugged durability, powerful performance, and off-road capabilities, the L10 off-road tire kick electric scooter is the ultimate choice for thrill seekers and outdoor enthusiasts. Number 2. X6 Electric Skateboard Scooter. Unleash the thrill of electric skating with the X6 Electric Skateboard Scooter, your ultimate companion for urban adventures. Designed for speed, agility, and convenience, the X6 redefines your commute with cutting-edge technology and sleek design. This scooter is built with high-quality aviation-grade aluminum alloy, making it lightweight, strong, durable, and corrosion-resistant. Now let's dive into the performance. Quadruple folding design. The X6 is one of the smallest e-scooters available, compact enough to fold easily for transport and storage in any vehicle, closet, or even a bag. Detachable battery. The battery is easy to remove and replace, making it safe to transport and convenient to recharge. Advanced shock absorbing system. With hidden spring suspension and dual shock absorbers, it provides a smooth ride even on bumpy surfaces. Handbrake plus throttle control. Just press the power button to start, use the throttle to move, and the handbrake to slow down. Bluetooth speakers. Equipped with high-fidelity Bluetooth stereo speakers that can play continuously for 72 hours, allowing you to ride with your favorite tunes. Anti-skid pedal. Made from carbon fiber with an anti-skid design, supporting a maximum load of 120 kg, making it suitable for riders of all sizes. Whether you're commuting to work, exploring the city, or simply enjoying a leisurely ride, the X6 offers a thrilling and practical riding experience. Discover the freedom of electric skating with the X6 Electric Skateboard Scooter. Elevate your daily commute and embrace the thrill of riding with power and style. Number 1. X6 Pro Electric Scooter. The X6 Pro Electric Scooter is built for versatility. Whether you're cruising on city streets, navigating through parks, or tackling uphill climbs, this scooter can handle it all. Safety and security are paramount with the X6 Pro. It features a robust locking mechanism and an integrated alarm system, providing peace of mind wherever you go. The scooter's folding structure is secure and stable, designed to prevent shaking. Performance is top-notch with a high-torque motor that ensures smooth, swift rides even uphill. With its durable tires, you're guaranteed a stable and comfortable journey every time. Braking system. The X6 Pro is equipped with front and rear disc brakes, an ABS anti-lock system, and a double-hand grip brake for responsive and safe braking. Efficient power. It runs on a high-efficiency lithium battery, providing safe, durable, and long-lasting performance. Wide pedal. The wide pedal accommodates upright riding with both feet together for added comfort. HD LED dashboard. The large display shows battery power and speed, helping you monitor your ride at a glance. With a top speed of 55 km per hour and a range of up to 70 km on a single charge, the X6 Pro lets you explore your city like never before. Its fast-charging battery ensures you're always ready to ride, and its energy-efficient design gives you more miles per charge. So, there you have it, the 5 best electric scooters available right now. Each one offers unique features, whether you're looking for range, speed, or style. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and ride safe.